Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change brush size in Snapchat. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your Snapchat account and then go to your camera option. And in this section, you just simply create a snap or upload a snap. It's up to you. So I'm just uploading a snap. And after this, just simply click on the three dot icon on the top right corner and then click on edit snap. And in this section you see the pencil icon at the top of your screen, so simply click on that. And if you want to change the brush size in Snapchat, so you just tap and hold and pinch in and pinch out for your zoom. As you see that the brush size will be changed. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.